Guys, so today it's been a pretty rainy day. The sun's just come out at the moment, but I'm down here with Toby today.
We're going to be going for Threadys. Let's go.
Let's get into it. I don't know what it is. Oh, here we go. This could be something good. Alright, yeah. Okay, cool. I was just checking the bait. The tide's like turning, so I wanted to recast it. And it came up with a dead weight. Alright, here we go. Yes, good. Here we go. Coming up.
What do you reckon it is?
I don't know, I hope this is ready. You ready? Coming up. Coming up. Yes! Ready! Woo! Alright, okay. It's only a small one. I'm gonna grab the landing net. Oh, shit. Okay. Alright, can you like hold him? Alright, just hold the camera, hold it there. Okay. Let me scoop it up. Alright, drop the rod tip. Let him. Oh, no. Oh! Oh, can you bring it up? Yep, nice. Got him. Oh, we got a Thready! Oh, yes!
What do I do for the rod?
Okay, put the rod down. Alright, we got a little Thready. He'd maybe just be legal, 60 centimeters. There we go. Nice Thready. A little bit of blood, but we're gonna get him back quick, okay? Here we go. Come around here. Here we go, it's gonna drop him straight down. Phew. He'll be alright. Yes, we got one, and the rain stopped. The water change, guys. It's from all the fresh water coming down from upstream. Look at that. Oh, that one might have a bite. Alright guys, thanks for watching today's video. Had a good bit of fun in the rain there today. Got one Thready and some other pike eels and catfish. But yeah, it was pretty good bit of fun. Make sure to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.